Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hi guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Nissan Xterra. This one is a 2006 model, but it's the same from 2005 all the way until 2015. This is the second generation Xterra. What you need to do, you need to come to the passenger side right there and go to the glove box, open the glove box all the way, and now you need to push on both sides, left and right, towards each other to the inside, right like that. There is two stops, this one right here and one on the other side, just like that, and the glove box goes down. Okay, now right here under this lid is where the cabin air filter is located. In the center of it there is one thing that you need to push up and remove the filter cap right there. And now that's where the cabin air filter is located. So you need to grab it with, it's kind of like a really tight fit, so you need to have long nails and just pull it out. This one has never been replaced, so it'll be pretty bad, I believe. Okay, like that. And now another thing about it is like it has two of them. Next to this one now, and now on the side right there, there is one more. Because the lid is too small, you cannot access both of them at the same time. So you need to slide this one to the right and just grab it again, pull it there, and it comes out. Okay, and you can see how bad the filter is, right there. Okay, you can see how bad those things are. Really bad. This one has about 120,000 miles, never been replaced. We recommend to replace them every 50,000 miles and clean them maybe 15 to 20,000. We do not have one in stock, so we're going to clean it with a vacuum cleaner and order one, so at least we have cleaner air in the cabin until we get a new one. So we get a vacuum cleaner, and now you just go and clean them. Okay, now you can get a Febreze or some kind of disinfectant spray and spray it a little bit from the side where it sucks air, right there. And we're going to just put them back together. Okay, right here the lettering and the arrow should be pointing down. And again, you just go right there in the slot, like that, put it, and now you need to push it all the way to the right. So you have room to put the second one in right there. And we definitely recommend to replace them because cleaning is still not as good as having a brand new clean air filter that would provide a good quality air in your car. And now this lid, there is two things that you need to go down there in the hose. So you need to go in an angle, okay, like that. You see where it opens, and now you just pressing until it clicks. And then all we need to do is get a glove box and again go towards each other so you can jump the stops and push in, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to give us a like. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.